Chapter 1.5 Services, Load Balancing, and Networking. The Kubernetes Network Model. The Kubernetes network model comprises several components that facilitate communication between pods within a cluster. Each pod has a unique cluster-wide IP address and its own private network namespace shared by all containers within the pod. Pods can communicate with each other over localhost, and the pod network ensures communication between pods across nodes without the need for proxies or address translation. The Service API in Kubernetes allows for the provision of a stable IP address or host name for a service implemented by backend pods. Endpoint slice objects provide information about the current pods backing a service, and a service proxy implementation routes service traffic to its backends using operating system or cloud provider APIs. The Gateway API, or Ingress, enables services to be accessed by clients outside the cluster. The Network Policy API controls traffic between pods and external entities. Kubernetes eliminates the need to explicitly create links between containers on different hosts, allowing for port allocation, service discovery, load balancing, and application configuration without additional setup. Kubernetes defines APIs for various functionalities, but the actual implementation is often provided by external components. The Container Runtime Interface manages the pod network namespace setup, while CNI plugins interact with the pod network implementation. Implementations of service proxying and network policy may vary, with some pod network implementations offering their own solutions. Overall, Kubernetes streamlines communication between pods and external entities within a cluster, providing a comprehensive network model that simplifies deployment and management tasks.